What's the meaning of cordiality? Cordiality. Cordiality.
Cordiality. Cordiality. Cordiality refers to a warm and friendly behavior or attitude towards others, often marked by sincerity and openness. It is the quality of being genial, amiable, and affable in interpersonal interactions. Cordiality can also imply a good-natured willingness to engage in conversation, socialize, and collaborate with others. It is an important aspect of building and maintaining positive relationships with people, especially in personal and professional settings. Overall, cordiality reflects a spirit of goodwill and benevolence in human interactions.